Old South Barns has been custom crafting barns along with other wooden structures for decades now. With timber framing at our forefront, we employ many techniques in working with bigger timbers. In this video, we will share a way of milling mortise slots using a 3-horsepower
Take just
router.
a minute to show you a new technique that we're doing on this job. There, there are many ways of accomplishing the same thing, it's just all in how you want to do it. But we've chosen this method on this job just to highlight that the fact there are different ways of doing things. You notice on the end of this log, which is the top of the post, we have put a mortise in here. Now, 100 years ago, traditionally you would use a wood chisel and actually mortise these pockets in like this. And a lot of times on our building sites, we would take our electric chain mortiser and do the same thing. But we wanted to do something different just for the fun of it sometime. I made a template up of the width and length of the pocket mortise that we need on the top of these posts, and it's a matter of finding the center line on the post, putting the jig on there in the correct place, and now we've got a jig that we can ride our router around. So in this application, we're taking a 3-horsepower router with a rub collar on it, and I have installed in this router a 1/2-inch diameter shaft bit, and this is known as a upcut spiral bit. Idea is as it is working, the chips come up out of the mortise to get out of our way so that we can see it, keeps the mortise clean, and we can go on about our business. It's just a matter of making repetitive cuts downward. You can't hog it out all at one time, but this is a 2-inch depth mortise, and we can hog it out in about 3 passes, 4 at the most. It does a good job. It makes an incredibly clean mortise, as you notice here. As you pan in, we've got a nice flat bottom, flat sides, a good mortise that is true and is square to the piece, so when our girder goes into it, that girt will sit in here. We'll be able to drill through and attach it with a hardwood dowel.